स्टूडेंट्स, आइए आज हम सीखते हैं इस तरह के क्वेश्चन को कैसे सॉल्व करना है। जब हमें एक एंगल्स का रिलेशन दे दिया जाता है, हमें पता है जो एक ट्रायंगल होता है उसके तीनों एंगल जो एंगल ए बी सी होते हैं, उन तीनों को जोड़ करके हमारे पास क्या आता है, एंगल ए प्लस एंगल बी प्लस एंगल सी इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री। सम ऑफ ऑल एंगल्स ऑफ अ ट्रायंगल इज equal to 180 degree. Now what we will do, how we will solve this question, we will put out the values. We have to find the value of angle b, then we will find out the value of angle a and angle c in the form of b, then we will get the value of angle b. How we will do, from the equation which is given, angle c is equal to 3 times of angle b. So we will fill this value of angle c. This is second equation. Now what we will do, we will find out the value for a from this equation. Angles 3 of angle b is equal to double of angle a plus angle b, which is given. Now what we will do, 3 of angle b is equal to, we will open up the brackets, plus 2 of angle b. And now by solving this, what we will get, angle a is equal to 3 of angle b minus 2 of angle b divided by 2. Now what we will get, angle b by 2, which will be the value of angle a. This will be a third equation. Now we will put the values from second and third equation in the equation number 1. Now taking first equation, we have first equation as angle a plus angle b plus angle c is equal to 180 degree. ये हमें पता है, होता है सम ऑफ ऑल एंगल्स ऑफ अ ट्रायंगल इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री. अब हम क्या करेंगे, एंगल ए की वैल्यू एंगल ऑफ बी बाय 2, वी विल सब्स्टिट्यूट द वैल्यू ऑफ एंगल ए ऑफ बी, that is angle of b by 2. Now what we will do, we will write this angle b as it is, and now we will fill the value, substitute the value of angle c, which is equal to 3 angle b from equation 2. This will also be equal to 180 degree. Now we will solve this. What we will get, 9 4b, 9 of angle b by 2 is equal to 180 degree, and we can cancel out 20 degree. Now find out the value for angle b, which is equal to 20 times 2, 20 degree times 2, which is equal to 40 degree. Now we have the answer, angle b is equal to 40 degree. This is how we can solve the problems like this. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.